What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. So what I'm finna do today is I'm probably finna get that bed back on there because they calling for rain this weekend, and I ain't trying to be out here working, getting rained on, and I need to start the suspension. I still hadn't decided on what shocks I'm finna use yet, so I'm finna just do everything that I need to do, and I'm gonna just reuse these shocks right here because I need to get I'm gonna put the bed back on, turn this thing back around, or turn the truck back around and put it in the shop. That way I'm close to where all my light and stuff is at, because I ain't trying to be out here working with my drop light, and if it rains I ain't trying to have the truck apart in the rain, because when I did the when I put that rear axle in that Tahoe right there, I got caught in the rain and I had that thing on jack stands and the truck fell. It didn't fall on me. It did not fall on me because I wasn't finna be out there in the rain working on it. But the ground got super soft, and it was gravel, but the ground got super soft and the truck fell, and it took me forever to get it back up. It was just a hassle. It wasn't a problem getting it back up, but it was just a hassle getting it back up, and something that I don't never want to do again. Yeah. So I did want to do some body work to stay right there. I did want to do some body work to this bed, but I came to the realization that I can do the body work that I need to do with the bed on the truck. It would be easier than me to put this bed on jack stands and do all that stuff. I'll just put the bed back on the truck, because everything that I've done or that I needed to do to the frame, I did it. So I'm finna go ahead and I'm gonna set you guys up, and we're gonna set that doggone bed back on there. That's gonna be the first segment. Yeah. So I knocked that down with some degreaser, all the dirt that was on there. It ain't as clean as it could be, but I can get in there, you know, with the pressure washer and rinse the rest of it off. But I got the bulk of it off of there, which, I mean, yeah, I got the bulk of it off of there, which nobody's never gonna see that anyway, but it's just a peace of mind for me. Well, I got them 6 bolts in there, got the bed lined up. It wasn't too bad. But before I took the bed off, this corner right here was like real loose. Like it was, like you could jiggle it, you know what I'm saying? So I got them. I got them all tight to the frame. Yeah, and I made sure they tight, but I'm gonna have to figure out something for that exhaust, because I had to cut that hanger, which I got a hanger on the inside, so I may just grab that hanger and use that hanger temporarily, because I got plenty of bolts and stuff to bolt it up or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and run my lights. I'm gonna go ahead and run my lights or my wires to my lights, because I had to cut my tag light. That tag light right there, so I'm gonna have to rewire that back up, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and put my new tail lights in, because I'm just, you know, give y'all something to look at. So I'm gonna have to run to the crib and get them real quick. But let me run them wires back up through there, and I'll cut the camera back on when I'm installing the lights. All right, I got most of this stuff cleaned up. Got the cherry picker put up. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these lights in so I can see what they look like. Ooh, pretty freaking dope. I like them. I like the clears. I just wish that the frosted lenses wasn't so expensive, because I think the frosted lenses, just the lenses, man, when I priced them, they was like $300 just for the lenses. One of these days I'll be able to afford the lenses, but I would want these insides. I would take these lenses off and replace them with the frosted joints. That way everything's like white looking, and then you can see the lights. But, and you know, until that money gets super long, this is what it's gonna be. I like them. They look good. They play with the truck real nice. So I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna cut them on, see what they looking like. We're gonna hit them brake lights, see if them brake lights is functioning correctly, because, you know, I can't see them. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up right there on the tripod. Yeah, set you guys up right there. That way we can see. Y'all look a little crooked, man. I swear, maybe my phone is crooked. Whatever. We're gonna test them out. So, I hope they worked. I hope they worked, because I wasn't able to see nothing. So, I'm gonna have to replay this little clip back to myself. Yeah. So now, probably for the get under there and fix that doggone sagging exhaust on this side right here. That exhaust is coming next. I am so sick of looking at it like that. Because if this side ain't low, then this side's low, and that ain't cool. But I'm gonna have to strap that back up there. But when I figure out what I'm doing next, gang, I'll be back. Cause y'all know I still got the speakers to do. And I still got the double din to do, and I still got the back window to do. I need to go holler at my boy about a paint job. Yeah, man, I like them. I like the way they look. They look pretty doggone dope. Yeah. Look pretty dope. But if I could get him to do the body work for fairly, you know, not cheap, because he does really good work, but he's reasonable. Like, he ain't gonna be like, oh, I'll paint your truck for $7,000. Like, come on, dude. It's a truck. If I wanted a $7,000 paint job, you can best believe I'm going to PC. $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $15,000 paint. I'm going to PC. I'm going to Player's Choice. I'll ship the vehicle all the way up there. Get him to do it, because I know he'll do it right. One of these days, I'm gonna be dropping off something. I'm gonna be dropping off something at PC for sure. Yeah. But yeah, man. If y'all still here watching this video, man, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join Luke Fizzle 828, because we dropping them videos. We dropping them. Yeah, man. I like them I like them tails, man. See, they look different from the rest of them. They look different. And they still got a little bit of red in it. That way, you know, still got a little bit of red. Yeah. And this guy come over here with more work. Look at that. This all good, though. You have to bench bleed that thing. Yep, that's what you needed. I don't think you needed the booster. Yeah, you could have just put it in that bag right there. Yeah. It goes on just like that. Oh, it's flat, okay. Yeah. I don't know if it had a... Goes on just like that. But, damn. Anyway, we're gonna have to bench bleed this thing right here, gang. So, after we get it on there, we'll be back, because this ain't no tutorial. All right, we got brakes. We bench bled that thing and put that thing on there, and he needs a new brake switch. That's what it is. That's why his lights stand on, because he needs a new brake switch. But
I think I need a caliper too, because the brakes ain't released.
You need a caliper?
I mean, if I pull the pedal up, they release.
You know what I got to say about that. I think you need a new truck.
It is new.
That's not new.
New to me.
You need a different brand.
Yeah, probably, but nobody gonna give me one of them.
I know that's right. I know that's right. You cannot go to a formal party without a bow tie, baby. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you gotta have a bow tie, baby. You know you gotta have a bow tie right here. You can't see that one. Yeah. But that's what he need. Actually, he got 4 of them at the house. He got 4 of them. I don't know what made him switch.
My first stray.
Traitor. He's a traitor. She clean though. She is clean though. She is clean. Yeah. But who goes to a formal party with a dang on ram? He be out there eating up the plants. You know what I'm saying?
A redneck.
A redneck. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it from Brent Tistopher first. You gotta have a bow tie, baby. But anyway, the brakes work pretty good.
Yeah.
Other than the brake light switch.
Yeah.
And you too tall and doggone lanky to get up under there, so I had to get up under there.
I appreciate you.
It's all good though. I'm gonna bill you. I'm gonna bill you later.
You will.
Yeah. But anyway, we got some stuff done. I think I'm gonna pull this thing out. I would really like to drive this tonight, but I'm not gonna, because it's still squeaky. It's still squeaky and I ain't with it. But I got the bed on. I got everything buttoned up. I'm finna turn this doggone thing around. Probably not gonna start the lift till tomorrow, but I am gonna start it. I'm gonna start it, and I'm probably gonna finish it, because that's what I do. That's what I do. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, that way you notify when I drop another banger. We out, man. Peace. And don't do what Brent does. Don't do what he does. Peace.